Everyone talks about having a Times Perfect face card app, but no one actually explains how to build one. So let me tell you what I figured out. Their Times is Times, a formula, not genetics, not filters, a real beauty system that can make your face look dramatically more attractive when you understand how it works. And today, I'm breaking it down step by step. But first, here's why this even matters. Your face is the first thing people notice about you. Before you speak, before you move, before you explain yourself. Studies show people form an impression of you in as 7 seconds and your face is doing most of the talking. Whether we like it or not, it affects how you're treated, remembered, and respected. So, no wanting to upgrade your face isn't shallow, it's awareness. There are 9 key facial areas that quietly decide how attractive your face looks overall. When you improve them intentionally, your entire appearance levels up. Let's start with lips because they sit at the center of your face. People watch your lips when you talk, smile, or even stay quiet. Soft, healthy, plump looking lips instantly raise your face card, but no amount of gloss can hide dry, cracked lips. Hydration starts from the inside. Drink enough water daily so your lips don't dry out from within. And please stop attacking your lips with harsh scrubs. Those sugar scrubs that leave your lips raw, they do more damage than good. Instead, use exfoliating gloves after a shower. When your lips are already soft, gently rub in circular motions. Dead skin lifts off effortlessly, no pain, no bleeding. At night, use a lip sleeping mask as to lock in moisture. During the day, switch to lip oils or hydrating glosses. There's a reason they're everywhere. They make lips look fuller times and times healthier. If you want extra volume, lightly overline only just above your natural lip line. Blend softly, add gloss, and suddenly people think you were born with plump lips. Plumping glosses can help too. Apply them right before going out for the strongest effect. Now, none of this matters if someone's distracted by bad breath or neglected teeth. Bad teeth instantly lower your face card. Some things need a dentist, but a lot is fixable at home. Start with oil pulling. Swish coconut oil for 10-15 minutes. It pulls bacteria, improves gum health, whitens teeth slightly, and dramatically improves breath. Use whitening strips 8 to 12% hydrogen peroxide assistantly for visible results. And ditch charcoal toothpaste, it's too abrasive and permanently damages enamel. Eat smarter too. Apples and watermelon boost saliva, washing away bacteria. Mint naturally freshens breath. Oranges strengthen gums. Green tea kills odor causing bacteria. Add just 1 or 2 daily, it makes a difference. Now let's talk skin because skin is your canvas. You don't need a 12-step routine, you need consistency. Use a hydrating cleanser fix, not a stripping one. Cream or oil-based cleansers clean without damaging your skin barrier. Follow with a moisturizer containing hyaluronic acid, plump, dewy skin. Add a tinted sunscreen protection plus natural coverage is elite. Once or twice a week, use gentle chemical exfoliation with BHA or AHA to reveal fresh, glowing skin underneath. Next, hair. Perfect face card girls always have hair that enhances their features. Hair can elevate you or hide you. Clarify your scalp based on your scalp type. Massage your scalp during washes to boost circulation. Use weekly masks on lengths only. Conditioner never touches roots. After washing, leave in conditioner, scalp oil, lightweight oil on ends, a touch of serum, and if you want luxury hair perfume. Choose styles that suit you. Ponytails lift the face. Layers soften features. Flowing hair adds softness. Side parts balance asymmetry. Now your nose? Clean pores matter more than shape. Use hydrocolloid strips weekly and salicylic acid daily to keep pores clear. Keep nasal passages clear too. Internal congestion causes external swelling. Steam treatments and saline sprays help more than people realize. Makeup can subtly contour for balance, not transformation. Face shape matters too. Gua Sha improves circulation and definition. Losing excess body fat naturally reveals bone structure. Reduce salty, inflammatory foods to avoid puffiness. Brows are next. Brows frame your entire face. Choose a shape that suits your face. Shape arched for round faces, softer for square, straight angle for oval and heart. Keep them neat, filled, and full. Overplucked brows age you. Fuller brows lift and modernize your look instantly. Finally, lashes. Lashes are criminally underrated. They open your eyes, soften your face, and elevate everything. I learned this the hard way by accidentally ripping out my lashes with a curler. Traumatizing but educational. If you want, I can make an entire video on growing long, healthy lashes naturally because once your lashes are right, everything else hits harder. This is how you build a powerful face card intentionally, intelligently, and sustainably. If you want the remaining steps, save this and follow for part 2.